For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a dumpster rental business can be a profitable venture, especially in areas with high construction activity, home renovations, or commercial cleanouts. This guide will walk you through the essential steps of launching a dumpster rental company using free AI tools to streamline planning, marketing, and management. Leveraging AI can save time, reduce costs, and help you create a professional approach without expensive consultants or agencies. Step 1. Conduct market research. Before investing in dumpsters and trucks, you need to understand your local market demand, competition, pricing, and customer needs. Use AI tools like ChatGPT or Google Bard to generate research questions and analyze industry data. For example, prompt ChatGPT with, "What are the current trends and challenges in the dumpster rental industry in your city or state?" This will help you gather relevant insights, including target customer segments, construction companies, homeowners, businesses, peak seasons, and competitor analysis. Step 2. Create a business plan. A solid business plan outlines your business goals, startup costs, pricing strategy, marketing approach, and financial projections. Use ChatGPT to draft your plan by providing a prompt such as, "Create a business plan outline for a small dumpster rental company with 10 dumpsters in your location." Include market analysis, startup costs, and revenue projections. ChatGPT can generate a clear structure you can then customize. You may also use AI writing tools like Notion AI or WriteSonic to enhance your plan's clarity and professionalism. Step 3. Choose your dumpster types and quantity. Based on your research, decide what types and sizes of dumpsters you will offer, e.g., 10-yard, 20-yard, 30-yard containers, and how many you need initially. You can use AI-powered spreadsheet tools like Google Sheets with AI formulas or ChatGPT prompts to calculate the expected utilization rates and profitability of different dumpster fleets. For example, ask, "Help me calculate monthly revenue projections for renting out 10, 20, and 30-yard dumpsters with average rental rates and turnover." Step 4. Handle legal and regulatory requirements. Check local regulations on waste disposal, permits, and business licensing. You can ask AI chatbots, "What permits do I need to start a dumpster rental business in your city/state?" For accurate and updated responses, cross-reference answers with your local government websites. Draft contracts, terms of service, and rental agreements using ChatGPT by prompting. Generate a dumpster rental contract template that includes rental period, fees, and damage policies. Step 5. Plan your fleet and equipment acquisition. You'll need dumpsters and at least one truck capable of hauling them. Research the cost of new or used dumpsters and trucks. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to get purchase advice or negotiation tips by asking, "What should I consider when buying used dumpsters and roll-off trucks for a startup dumpster rental business?" Also, consider using AI tools like Google Sheets to create a budget tracker for equipment expenses. Step 6. Build your brand and online presence. In today's market, having a strong online presence is essential. Use AI tools like ChatGPT or Jasper to generate business names, taglines, and branding ideas. For example, prompt, "Suggest 10 catchy business names for a dumpster rental service in your location." Then, create website content using AI by asking, "Write homepage text for a dumpster rental website that highlights affordable pricing and reliable service." Use free website builders like Wix or WordPress with AI-powered design suggestions to build a professional site. Step 7. Develop a marketing plan. Leverage AI to craft your marketing strategy, targeting homeowners, contractors, and businesses. Use ChatGPT with prompts like, "Create a marketing plan for a local dumpster rental business, including online ads, SEO, and partnerships with construction companies." For social media content, use AI tools such as Canva with AI-generated design templates and text suggestions to produce engaging posts and ads. Also, consider Google Ads and Facebook Ads platforms, which offer AI-based campaign optimization even with small budgets. Step 8. Set up operations and customer service. Implement an efficient booking system and customer management. Free AI-powered CRM tools like HubSpot CRM can help manage customer contacts and communications. Use ChatGPT to draft email templates for inquiries, booking confirmations, and follow-ups by prompting. Write professional email templates for dumpster rental inquiries and booking confirmations. Automate scheduling and reminders using free calendar tools integrated with AI assistants like Google Assistant or Microsoft Cortana. Step 9. Manage pricing and billing. Determine your pricing structure, including rental fees, delivery charges, and extra fees for overweight or extended rentals. Use AI spreadsheet tools to model different pricing scenarios and their impact on profits. Prompt ChatGPT with, "Help me create a pricing model for a dumpster rental business with base rental, delivery fees, and penalties for late returns." Set up billing using free invoicing tools like Wave or Zoho Invoice, which include AI features to track payments and send reminders. Step 10. Monitor and optimize your business. Once operational, use AI analytics tools to track your business performance. Free options like Google Analytics for your website, combined with AI-based insights, can identify customer behavior and marketing effectiveness. Ask ChatGPT for help with monthly performance reports. Generate a business performance report template for a dumpster rental company, including revenue, customer growth, and fleet utilization. Continuously use AI chatbots to brainstorm improvements in customer service, marketing, or operations. Conclusion. Starting a dumpster rental business can be straightforward and cost-effective when using free AI tools to assist with research, planning, marketing, and management. From market analysis to customer service automation, AI can help you reduce workload, increase accuracy, and make better-informed decisions. By following these steps and leveraging AI effectively, you can build a professional and scalable dumpster rental business that meets local demand and grows profitably. If you want a strong start, try combining ChatGPT's conversational intelligence with practical AI applications like Google Sheets for financials, Canva for design, and HubSpot CRM for customer management. These tools, paired with your dedication and local market knowledge, can set you on the path to success in the dumpster rental industry. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.